Hey guys, it's me, Juliana, and today I'm going to be making slime. Oh, there's nothing in the wall. Yeah, we're making slime. Okay, if you hear noise, it's either my mom or my brother. Back there. Okay, so I got the glue going. And add a little bit to the bowl. I'm going to be making a blue slime. Just a regular blue slime. Add that much glue. I'll show you. I added like that much glue. It's like you can see it's up to right here. Okay, so I'm gonna add some blue food dye. To add 3 drops. This is neon blue. 1, 2, 3. Got that on my hand. Mix it. 3 drops. And for this slime, I'm gonna be using a little light, but I'm gonna be using glue, Tide, and food coloring. So what you will need is glue, Tide, food coloring, something to mix in, and something to stir with or mix with. It's this pretty blue color. I'm gonna add 2 more drops. 1, 2, 2 drops. 2 more drops. Almost. Alright, so now it's this color. I'm not sure if it changed at all. But yeah, that's the color. Okay, I'm gonna add Tide now. I always pour it into the cap so that it's easier. I don't have to really go like that. So I'm gonna pour it into here. There's like numbers on it. I like to do it up to the 3 that's on there because I feel like that's just the perfect amount. And it's not too much. If you always don't need it, all of it, you can just pour it back into the Tide bed thingy. It's starting to form. Roll this things up so I don't get them on this one. Add a little bit more. Almost done. Don't know what that was, but yeah. I always start to, when I think I'm ready to go in with my hands, I start to take it off of the popsicle stick first. I'm just gonna put the popsicle stick right here. So then I sometimes like add a little bit of Tide to my hands, like that much. I just mix it in. So now my hands have Tide on them. And then I grab it with this hand. So if I need more Tide, I can just grab it with this hand. But then I start mixing it in. So far, so good. It's a little sticky. I'm gonna add a little bit more Tide. Just gonna dip my hand in there and bring it in. I love this blue. Alright, I'm gonna add a little more. I always just dip my hand on the thing and then quickly bring it over. Try not to spill anything on the surface. slime just went flying. Oh well. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna move this bowl and I'm gonna set it on this table thingy. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit, so like this much. Spread it out all over the top. I like to make it so that the top is like a little bit of white. You can see how it got like a little white. You really rub it in, because it's the soap. You know when you get soap and you mix it into your hands, most of the time it turns like white or a color. So that's what you want to do. Then you just keep mixing it in. Alright, my slime is done. I'm gonna get it all off of my fingers for what I was making. Okay, so I'm done. This is my slime. It's a little bit sticky, but it's okay. One more quick thing of it. It's a nice, pretty blue color. So I hope you liked this video. This is the blue slime that I made. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications so you get notified every time I make a new video. Bye, and have a nice day. I hope you liked my video.